I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video I show you how to paint a mango in oil color. Enjoy! So here we're going to put our mango. Now I'm using a small brush, and mangoes can have different color skin. So they can be totally green, or they can be totally orangey red, or they can be somewhere in the middle. So this one is a few colors, and so that they don't get all mixed together, I'm putting down small dots of each color in its own area. And afterwards I'll take a different brush and just blend them together very carefully so that they look all part of one fruit, but not all mixed. Basically each color should retain its own area, but then it should look blended like a mango does. So mangoes, they're delicious. They are an ancient fruit that has many varieties around the world, and most of them ripen in the summer. And they have different sizes, shapes, and colors, and different sweetnesses, but they all have that same flat pit that you can't get it off from the pulp. So they're related to cashews and pistachios, and their vitamin content depends on which type they are and the ripeness. So if your mango is still green, then it has more vitamin C, but as it gets more mature, the amount of vitamin A increases. So here we have our colors all down, and we're carefully going over from one side to the other, bringing the color back and forth to have a nice blended look to our mango skin. And here we'll put a little bit of highlight with white, and we'll blend it out to put the shininess all around. Now, in case you're wondering what a mango looks like when it's cut open, here I've sliced off the top, the one side, and this is how I like to serve it. I slice off one side, and again we'll do the same idea with the skin. We'll put down different dots of paint in different areas. There is the oldest known mango tree located in East Candish. I'm not sure where that is. And it's 300 years old, and it's still producing fruit. Now that's a hard worker. 300 years old. Wow. So here, let's blend out the peel of this mango. And here you can see the inside is a nice light yellow color. Some of them have a more orangey color inside. And now what you do with it afterwards, after you've cut off that slice from the side of the pit, you have to make sure to cut it on the sides of the pit, that you leave the pit in the middle with as little fruit on it as possible. So you have to look for the side that is rounder and cut that off. And here are some white dots, since the peel can look a little bit dotty. And then after you cut off that side, you can cut into it a crosshatch of pieces, and then it's a beautiful, delicious snack that you turn inside out, and you just bite off each cube as it comes. So here we'll show you the inside, how to serve this delicious fruit. Well, it's a fun way to eat it, but it does make your chin sticky, and it can get the pieces of the stringy bits stuck in your teeth. So if you wanted to eat it in a way that it doesn't, you'll just have to cut it up in pieces. But this is how I like to serve it. It's very aesthetic and pretty. So I put the center light yellow and surrounding that with a light yellow orange. That will show you how the cut areas in between are all shadowy, dark areas compared to the part that sticks out. So here you see it looks like it was turned inside out, and all those little block-like pieces are sticking up, ready to bite. And officially they are the most popular fruit in the world. Not surprising, since they're so sweet and creamy. If you're enjoying this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out a new fruit or vegetable video every Saturday. So here I just deepen the color of the cuts in between each piece. And make the color of each piece actually brighter for a more orangey mango look. And here we'll give some white dots to the other mango, who waited patiently to get his white dots on his skin. And I'm doing that with an old hard brush, just dipped in white paint. So here we have our whole mango, and showing this cut off piece, and we cut the piece and served it. So I hope you enjoyed, and buy yourself a mango in the summer, and have a great day.